Suzanne has got some fabulous news for you. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Hiya.
Right, well, we don't know where we're allowed, where we're not allowed. We're like everyone else at the moment, totally confused.
Well, I think we're in medium.
Are we?
Yeah. So we are allowed out, but just got to be careful.
Well, we are
normal.
out. So, but we're not straying too far. We're staying in our county today, and we're going first of all to look at something that's really unique to our county town, Northampton, which we'll see in a while. But before we go any further, Suzanne has got some fabulous news for you.
Yeah. We're going to be grandparents for the very first time.
Now, I know you are looking at us and thinking,
Yeah.
surely you're not just going to be grandparents. But it was something we were not sure would ever happen. And it has. So, yeah, we're going to be... I want to be just granddad.
Do you?
Not Pops or Papa or anything like that. I want to be granddad. What do you want to be?
Well, I might want to be granny.
So it's, yeah, granddad and granny. Are you sure, granny?
I quite like granny.
No, it's fine. It's up to you, granny. But, yeah.
Are you sure, granddad?
Oh, yeah. Anyway, what else has been happening? We went last week, and I did put it on our Facebook group. Where did we go to? That shopping village?
Yeah. Oh, my memory's awful.
It is, yeah.
Can you remember?
I'm just trying to. Anyway, we went to a shopping village which was in Warwickshire, not too far from Warwick, and
we took Nettie.
Yeah, we took Suzanne's bestie, Annette, but I didn't do a video. I mean, I tried vlogging from there, but to be honest with you, it was quite disappointing. It could be an amazing place, but
it was raining though, wasn't it?
Yeah, it kept raining, so it was very difficult to video. I mean, using the GoPro's fine in the rain, but it's just the lens. And not only that, there wasn't really much on, was there?
Not really.
It is a shopping village. It's not like a shopping centre. You know, it's like old farm buildings and things converted to a shopping village, which is really nice. In fact, there's another one we've been to, not too far from us, on the A5. But we had great expectations of that place, and well...
Yeah, I think there was a lot for families, because they had the big adventure place, and pets were there, and...
Who?
Pets.
Oh yeah, pets.
You know, little animals, and there was a lot going on for like families, children and that, but yeah, not a lot really.
And because of the restrictions, you know, you were standing outside the little quaint little shops they had, and yeah, there just wasn't much going on. I mean, for example, there's a lovely sweet shop there, but it had about it's quite an area, and it had about 10 sweet jars, didn't it? So things that Suzanne, for example, was hoping to get, she didn't get. Anyway, there are also walks, and you can walk down to the canal, which is about a 1.5 mile round trip walk. But because it was pouring down with rain, we decided to go round there in the car. And again, it was raining a bit. That on a summer's day would be lovely.
We did do a bit of a walk.
We did do a bit, and I had thought about just putting that out, but it would have lasted. But I mean, I may well tag it on the end.
You could maybe, yeah, I was going to say.
Yes, that was nice down by the canal. Highly recommend that. And there are locks there as well. So we came to Hatton World.
Yeah.
And you girls were interested in going to the shopping village.
We were.
And it wasn't really that brilliant, was it?
No, not really. There wasn't many shops.
And not many people around. But the good news is we've now come down to Hatton Locks.
Which Paul loves, locks. Yeah.
Well, it'd be nice if it was...
You do love locks.
It would be nice if it was actually a little bit more sunny, but we keep getting rain and sunshine, don't we?
That's nice. There you go, Paul.
Yeah. And it's a bit pan across the can.
And a nice little tea room.
Nice little tea room.
Selling yummy cakes. Shh, Slimming World.
Yeah.
Of course.
But anyway, that's why it's been a little bit quiet for the last couple of weeks since our last vlog, because a week or so before that, Suzanne and I went to Newmarket, and it was very difficult to get enough stuff to fill the vlog. Get that from? Wasn't it?
Yeah.
You know, the only thing there really of any interest was the clock tower, and I went there thinking, well, we'll do a vlog of the clock tower, which is one of the only remaining clock towers in the country that is still wound by hand once a week. But the rest of it was just kind of...
it's just difficult times, though.
Very difficult. Anyway, we're hoping to put some stuff together today. So first of all, we're going over to this unique landmark in our county town of Northampton.
I've said it many times, I know I would change my ways, I know for sure. When all the crows decide to meet, they settle down beneath my feet. I've got it right and I got it wrong, but I learned my lesson hanging on. Come sit here with
On our left, we're just passing the home of the Northampton Saints rugby football team, prior to us turning left into what was an industrious area, including the manufacturing plant of express lifts. Something got left behind. It's the lift testing tower, and strangely is now part of a housing estate.
nothing to be scared of. I'd rather be with you than by myself. Now all is in your hands.
What is now known as the National Lift Tower was previously called the Express Lift Tower and known locally as the Northampton Lighthouse. Construction began in 1980 and was officially opened by Queen Elizabeth II on the 12th of November 1982. Designed by architect Maurice Walton of Stimpson Walton Bond, the tower is 127.5 metres or 418 feet tall, 14.6 metres or 48 feet in diameter at the base, and tapers to 8.5 metres 28 feet at the top. The only lifted testing tower in Britain and one of only two in Europe. It was granted Grade 2 listed building status on the 30th of October 1997, making it the youngest listed building in the UK at the time. In partnership with the Extreme Abseil team, they are proud to offer the opportunity to abseil down the National Lift Tower.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love.
As mentioned earlier in the vlog, this is the lovely Shire shopping village on the A5 between Weedon and Buckby Top Lock.
And it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in me.
We're now arriving at the Motorhome Campervan Day Van Centre on the A5 to continue our search for a van that's going to suit us for our needs. See, that's the rock and roll beds that I'm not keen on. I just feel they take up so much space. I tend to prefer just a couch along the side for
I think it looks nice.
a little sink. 2-burner cooker there, gas. Oh, even a little grill, look.
Yeah, I like it, it's nice.
Storage underneath the sink. Little fridge here. Little freezer compartment as well by the look of it. You see, because we don't intend staying away days on end or anything, This gives something like this gives us all we need, doesn't it, for a day?
Yeah, definitely.
Just to pull over. Lovely comfortable seats. Double captain seat there that spins around, and I guess on this here somewhere there will be a table.
See, that's nice because if you took anyone with you, it's a seat with a seat belt on it.
Yeah, it is. You have a couple of seat belts, but somewhere there'll be a table. Was that it down there? No. That'll fit onto this rail here.
Yeah.
And out there. You see that this is nice, but it's too big for what we want, isn't
It's
it?
just like a big caravan.
Well, it's like a motorhome. Come on in and see. I think it's got what they call a French style bed. There. Here.
Yeah.
It obviously makes up as a double. Freezer, quite a good one actually.
Yeah.
Right, 3 burner hob is it? Well, 2 gas and then a hot plate by the look of it. But it's too big, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, I do like it, something like this, I must admit, but no, we need, just for a day van, we need something a bit smaller. It's even got a microwave in this one, Suzanne.
Yeah.
So you can get something like this, Suzanne, for 53,000, which is the same price as that tiny little camper van. Would you like a hand, madam?
Yeah, this is a nicer one than that one.
Oh yeah, this dining area here, I guess.
I didn't like that other one.
Dining area here, I guess. But
Yeah.
again, you don't have seat belts in this, so you can. It's only the 2, and I guess both of those are captain seats. And then bedroom. Well, the bed. I'm not sure about, compared to some that I've seen, I'm not over keen on this design, to be honest with you. It has a shower up here and bathroom, but no. Anyway, it's not what we're looking for, so let's go and have a look at some more day vans. One in white, Suzanne. What do you think about this one?
Yeah, it's nice. I like white as well.
Yeah. Does this one have, is that a fridge?
Looks like it.
No, it isn't. Right, they're all varying prices, Suzanne, but they seem to look the same, don't they?
Yeah, they are.
Even inside. Yeah. Of course, these are just vans, so if you imagine you had one that didn't have the pop top on it, that's locked. That's the sort of height you'd have inside.
Oh, look how busy this is.
Yeah?
Look how busy it is. It's popular then.
Yeah.
Oh, it's got a reptile house as well.
It is busy, isn't it? Well, that's a really impressive place, is it?
Yeah. A bit of everything.
Yeah, there was a bit of everything for a garden centre, wasn't it? It wasn't overly Christmas like some of the other ones we went to, especially
No.
last year, but other things, I didn't realise there were so many
No, different things. Ducks.
and so many ducks. But right, where to next?
To find a toilet.
Okay. Find a toilet.